Hello and welcome to this short tutorial where I'm going to show you how to use ActiveTrack Auto. Now ActiveTrack Auto was an updated feature that came to the Mini 4 Pro and the Air 3, which allows the drone to basically perform autonomous maneuvers whilst tracking you. Now this is a really handy feature if you're somebody like me that does a lot of solo filmmaking and you don't want to constantly have to keep an eye on controlling the drone. So in order to show you how it works, I'm going to stand back a bit and I'm going to show you how to do the process. So first of all, I'm going to take a step back, and what I need to do here is I'm going to move myself into the frame, and then I'm just going to select myself as a subject by dragging on the screen to select myself. Now the drone is going to pick me up as a subject and all of my options come up when it comes to tracking. So I'm going to click here on Active Track, then I'm going to click on Auto, and then all I do here is click Go, and I can start moving. The drone is going to get into ActiveTrack Auto and perform some automated maneuvers. Now at the minute we can see on the screen here it says hold. What it's doing is holding position and it's just tracking me relative to me at that same position. Now it's changed to circle, so it's going to be doing a bit of an orbit around me in order to capture a few different angles. Now it's going to stay in that place again and just going to hold for a while. And then what it basically does is it sort of bounces backwards and forwards between circle and hold to move itself into different positions whilst it's still tracking you. Now I'm going to turn around here and head back in the other direction. We can see here, for somebody that's doing especially a lot of solo filmmaking, or if you don't want to just have to worry about doing too much when it even comes to active tracking, you can just set it to auto and let the drone do all the hard work. So it's now out there just picking and choosing whatever it thinks is going to look good, and then when it comes to the edits I can pick and choose whatever bits of footage I want to use, and I have a nice variety of shots from my location. So it really could not get much easier than ActiveTrack Auto. The drone has gone right in front of me to finish this video off, so we're going to finish it off. So thank you for watching. Go out there and enjoy ActiveTrack Auto on your Mini 4 Pro or Air 3. If you've gained value from this video, consider becoming a member on Patreon, as it's one of the best ways to support the work that I'm doing here. Now I actually also have a complete drone videography course which will take you from where you are now all the way to an advanced drone pilot and a cinematic genius. Now it's literally already transforming people's flying and footage, and it will do exactly the same for you. Now I've actually also started a weekly newsletter giving you the latest drone news, hot tips and discounts, and you can find all of this linked in the video description down below. And whilst you're down there, make sure to tap the subscribe button for more videos like this. You should go and check out this video next. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.